Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on My Life on a Hill. My name is Tracy. Please don't forget to subscribe. So my son, he's 12. He wanted birria taco. So forgive me if I'm not saying it right. I'm Belizean, not Mexican. But anyways, a guy that my husband know makes some on his day off, and he ended up ordering these. And my son was, this is him eating it and was extremely happy. So I decided to make it, not to try to copy it or anything. It's just that he wanted it again, and we didn't want to order fast food, so I tried my best. I did it with oxtail, because I know too my husband can eat left the oxtail, and this is how we clean our meat, guys, with lemon and vinegar. We just squeeze it on the meat, wash it off, and then we season it. And that's just how Belizeans season their meats. Well, clean their meats. So that's the vinegar that I'm putting on there. So please don't come at me and attack me, because I'm trying my best with what I had in the kitchen at the time, other than the oxtail and the cilantro I bought. I cannot eat any peppers right now, so all I'm putting in is cilantro, onion, garlic, and cilantro, onion, garlic, and a little bit of tomato for the reddish color. And I put that in my crock pot for overnight. And on the side, I did the cilantro and onion. Again, I'm not trying to disrespect anyone's culture. I'm probably doing this completely wrong. That's the time that I put on the oxtail, and by the morning, in the middle of the night, I put it on low, and this is how it was looking in the morning. So I'm just going to go ahead and shred it off the bone. And guys, if you haven't by now, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. And if you have, leave a comment so I could give you a shout out next time. So this is the oxtail. I'm going to go ahead and shred the meat, which I did here. And I'm going to do my best, because again, and that's the bone, again, I cannot eat any peppers right now, so I couldn't put any pepper in there. And so this is the consomme. Well, that's what he told me. Anyways, that's what he's going to be dipping the tacos in. We only did that one time because I'm trying very hard to be as healthy as possible, and as it is, the tortilla isn't. So but anyways, again, I'm not disrespecting anyone's culture. This is what I had in my refrigerator at the time, other than the oxtail and the cilantro, and I am limited on what I can eat right now. And so he wanted it again, so I tried my best to make it. I YouTube a few people. There is a lot of process to this, so much respect to the Mexican culture. There's a lot of process to this, which I couldn't do, because right now I'm limited on what I can do in the kitchen. I'm going through some stuff right now, you guys, so what I can do in the kitchen is kind of like just to get it in and out and feed my family and try to be as healthy as possible. And as you can tell, maybe this isn't right now. So I am only gonna dip this in a consomme, put it on the stove, and add the meat, the cilantro, onion, and the cheese. And I just use organic cheese, which I had. And the next day we did it again, but without the consomme. So please don't come yelling at me. It's just that I love Mexican food, and I cannot eat out, because if it's too salty or too processed, it makes me really, really sick. So but it was so good. My husband made guacamole because it was Super Bowl, and so I added my guacamole when I was eating it. So I'm just showing you what I did, and to get this ready for my son. My husband ended up eating it because he said he doesn't like sloppy foods. He likes his food just to the point, I guess. But he ended up eating it, I guess, that day, tasting it, and he was like, oh man, this is really good. So I felt really good that I at least did something. If it didn't turn out to be birria tacos, again, forgive me if I said that wrong, then it came, it was some kind of tacos, because it was good. So yeah, my son's been bugging me. I guess he plays with his friends. The majority of his friends from the neighborhood are Hispanic, and so I guess my son's a foodie. He loves food. He's always watching food channels, and so I guess his friends were telling him about it. And I don't know if he YouTube it or what, but he's been bugging for months. And I'm like, the only place we found this one, it was like far, and we weren't gonna drive there just for tacos, and not knowing who these people are, like we've never been to their place before. So we were kind of like skeptical and buying. Like right now, I'm like, again, I can't eat out, too much salt, period. It's a lot of food are too salty. Like we eat from a local street vendor, and the taco tastes really good, but my God, it's so salty. It's like, it makes my whole body hurts the next day. So anyways, Yeah, so he's been bugging for a while, and then one of my friend posted that she bought it, and I showed it to him. He was so mad. He's like, "Mom!" And then my husband heard what was going on. He goes, "Hey, this guy that I know, he makes it on his day off," and so he ordered, which was the beginning of the video. He ordered that, and it was really good. It wasn't salty or anything. And so my son wanted it again Sunday, and I said, you know what, let me try and make it for you, because the guy wasn't making it for Super Bowl. I guess if he was, we didn't know, and we were, we only, my husband only see him on work days, and so I YouTube as much as I can, and I found the simplest one, easiest one. I found this one American guy. He did it, and he's like, I have two kind of Mexican friends that watch my channel. The one that's, hey, good, thanks for supporting my culture, and the other one's like, die. He's like, dude, you want me to die over tacos? I was rolling. So I kind of followed his to the best of my ability, meaning what I had in my kept my pantry. So basically, I should give my sister props for and call it the bear pantry, the bear pantry to Birria tacos, because my sister's show is called the Bear Pantry Show, and she basically cooks on YouTube with bare necessity. Like, you don't, like, if I have to do more than 3 steps to eat something, I'm not doing it. Like, it's too much. And I'm telling you, I saw this one girl took like 45 minutes video, or maybe 30 minutes video, and showed how she did it. It looked, oh my god, it looks delish. A lot of different kind of peppers, which Belizeans eat with a lot of pepper, but I don't anymore. Since I was pregnant with my firstborn, I had to stop eating hot sauce, and from then I don't need it anymore. But I was addicted to, and but my youngest one and my husband loves hot sauce. My oldest son doesn't eat it, but he eats Takis. So, but he eats Takis, and every like one chip, he's drinking a gallon of water. Okay, I'm kind of, but he drinks a lot of water. But that's the only thing he eats that's hot. So, but this is me trying my best to accomplish some similarity to the Mexican culture, and to get that taste that, oh my god, is like so rich. And like, I mean, Belizeans, we have a lot of rich taste too, but, and I love that we have we have a regular Belizean dish, which is a Sunday dish that I grew up in, which is rice and beans, chicken and potato salad. And then you have the like what we call Spanish food, which is like any type of tacos, like garnachas, panadas, enchiladas, things like that. And then we have Garifuna food. So our culture is already rich with different kind of food, and I love food. I love Mexican food. I love Asian food. I love Italian food. Oh my gosh, I just love different cultures. And so I don't mean to hopefully disrespect any culture when I make something. It's like I want their food. Like, look at this tortilla was so damaged, but I wanted to leave it in anyways to let you know, see how I remedy it. But so many cultures, there's so many food out there, and I don't mean to disrespect any culture, but I love food, and I cannot go, like, I love Italian food, and I want to go to Olive Garden, but a lot of food is just straight from the can, and I cannot eat it. It's just, first of all, you shouldn't eat any processed food, but for me, I feel the effects right away. Like, my head start hurting, my body start feel like retaining water. So I try like my best, and even the tortilla was doing damage to me. But hey, I had only like a couple, and okay, who am I kidding? I ate a few. I ate a few. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, if I didn't come close to making it the traditional way, forgive me, but I love it, and I'm gonna keep trying, keep making the foods that I love. So anyways, this is what it looked like as a consomme, and then the guacamole that my husband made for Super Bowl. And this was between myself, my son, and I think whoever, we ate it throughout this much. We ate like a couple right away, and then throughout the day. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please don't leave without subscribing, and I love you. Take care and be peace and be safe today. Okay, bye bye now.